welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very exciting and special day because not only am I preparing for Independence Day, but I'm also celebrating my 4th YouTube anniversary. Up, I'm working on an Independence Day dance routine and it's been going okay because I've only been practicing for a day or two now and I'm still getting there of practicing it, but I wanted to show you guys how I'm preparing for the dance, how I'm practicing it, and also the final performance. So let's see how it's coming along. So this is where I'm going to be practicing the dance. It's not a very big space, but this was the only place I found because I'm actually at my grandma's house and it was pretty much clear for me to do a simple dance in one place. So here it is. That's the final dance that we're doing. You're probably wondering why am I looking somewhere else. So actually the dance that I'm following is from my friends that they're going to be doing. So as I told you, a few of my friends are doing it with me for the whole society, of course. And there's just so amazing plan, which I'll be telling you guys later on in the video. And I'll show you guys their dance as well. Basically, this is what I was watching. I'm going to practice a few more times until I get it right without looking at the screen, and I might mess up, so wish me luck. Hey guys, so it is around 2:30 and we're leaving for Pune. We'll get there around maybe 6 o'clock. We're in the car and now we're leaving for Pune. I'm going to read this book called The Man from the Egg by Sudhamurthy. And I got really tired from traveling so much, and I decided that I'm not gonna film, but I did do a little bit of practice. Plus, I have my dance ready, I have my dress ready, everything is ready, except I don't know what to do for my 4th YouTube anniversary on the same day of Independence Day. Thinking I'm gonna do like a community post on my channel asking you guys what I'm going to be doing, and let's see what comes up. For the celebration, we decided to have pizza.
रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।